Want your home to feel smarter without lifting a finger? These Amazon smart home gadgets take care of everyday tasks automatically, so you can spend less time managing your home and more time enjoying it. From lighting and security to comfort and convenience, everything works together seamlessly for you. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Morning cafe vibes without leaving your kitchen. This compact espresso machine lets you brew rich espresso or smooth lungo at the push of a button. Craving milk drinks? The built-in frother makes cappuccinos, lattes, or macchiatos silky and smooth using fresh milk every time. You just fill the detachable milk jug, tap once, and let it do the rest. Cleanup is easy too, with removable parts and smart alerts that keep everything running perfectly. Simple, stylish, and made for everyday coffee lovers like you. So if you want cafe quality coffee at home, scan the QR on screen. Cold towels are officially a thing of the past. This bucket-style towel warmer turns your everyday shower into a spa-like moment you'll actually look forward to. Just drop in towels, robes, or blankets, press a button, and it gently heats them for cozy comfort. The easy timer lets you choose how long it stays warm. Then it shuts off automatically so you don't have to think about it. A simple lid and carry handle make it effortless to use, even first thing in the morning. So if you want warm towels every day, scan the QR on screen. Mornings get a whole lot easier with this all-in-one breakfast station. It lets you cook eggs, pancakes, bacon, and more at the same time, all in one compact spot. The dual griddles handle your main dishes, while the built-in toast drawer crisps bread underneath. A simple timer keeps everything on track so you're not guessing or rushing. You get a full, hot breakfast with less mess, less waiting, and way less effort from you. So if you want perfect breakfasts without the hassle, scan the QR on screen. If you love that soft, crunchy ice that makes every drink better, this machine is about to be your favorite kitchen upgrade. It makes chewable Nugget Ice right on your countertop, perfect for sodas, smoothies, or iced coffee. The ice forms fast and holds flavor instead of cracking your teeth like hard cubes. You don't have to babysit it either, since it stops automatically when full and cleans itself inside. Just add water, press a button, and enjoy fresh Nugget Ice whenever you want. Ironing without lifting a finger sounds fake until you see this. You simply hang your shirt or pants, press start, and let warm air do all the work. The fabric gently inflates and stretches, smoothing out wrinkles while drying at the same time. Even delicate clothes stay safe thanks to steady heat and automatic shutoff that prevents damage. It's perfect when you want crisp clothes fast, without boards, burns, or effort from you. Cutting fries by hand gets old fast. This electric chip cutter turns whole vegetables into clean, even strips with just the push of a button. You load it, press forward, and it does the hard work for you, no force needed. The sharp metal blade slices smoothly through potatoes, carrots, and more in seconds. Cleanup is simple too, since the blade comes off easily, making prep faster and way easier for you. So if you want perfect fries every time, scan the QR on screen. Big scales aren't always practical, and that's where this tiny helper shines. This portable hanging scale lets you weigh fish, produce, bags, or packages in seconds. Just hook it on, lift, and read the number on the bright backlit screen. It's easy to switch units and locks the weight so you don't miss it while you're holding something. Small enough to keep in your pocket, it's perfect when you need quick, no-fuss weighing on the go. Say goodbye to messy mouthwash spills and sticky bottles. This automatic dispenser delivers the perfect amount every time, with 4 adjustable levels for kids, adults, or a full rinse. Its 600 milliliter reservoir means fewer refills, and the LED display keeps you informed at a glance. You can mount it on the wall or keep it on your counter, and cleanup is easy thanks to a removable container and self-cleaning feature. Quick, hygienic, and perfect for the whole family. Stay cool without the worry of spinning blades. This bladeless desk fan gently circulates air, creating a quiet and comfortable breeze for your office, bedroom, or workspace. With 3 adjustable speeds, you can pick just the right airflow, while the soft LED lights add a fun, colorful touch to your desk. The touch controls are easy to use, and its stable base keeps it in place. Compact, safe, and whisper quiet, it's perfect for you kids, or even pets. So if you want a cool, quiet breeze anytime, scan the QR on screen. Why settle for just a toaster when you can have an all-in-one snack station? This 2-in-1 flip toaster doubles as a compact oven, letting you toast, bake, broil, reheat, or defrost with ease. The wide slots handle bagels, artisan bread, or sandwiches perfectly, while the rapid oven heats up fast, no preheat needed. Crumbs are caught in a handy tray, making cleanup simple. Small enough for any countertop, it's ready to make breakfast, snacks, or mini meals for you anytime. Say goodbye to messy countertops. This wall-mounted soap grinder turns any bar of soap into fine, easy-to-use powder with just a press of the handle. It saves space in your bathroom or kitchen while keeping your soap ready whenever you need it. You can even use it for cheese, laundry powder, or dishwasher soap, making it surprisingly versatile. Cleaning is simple too. Just detach the parts and rinse, and it's ready to go again. Take out the trash without the hassle. This 60-liter recycling bin keeps your kitchen neat with 2 separate compartments, one for general waste, one for recycling. The removable buckets make swapping liners and carrying trash easy, while the carbon filter keeps odors under control. A small compost caddy fits inside too, perfect for food scraps. Its vertical design saves floor space, so you get a clean kitchen without clutter. So if you want a smarter way to handle trash, scan the QR on screen. Bring the cozy glow of a fireplace anywhere you like. This electric heater gives you warmth and a realistic 3D flame without smoke or dust. You can choose from 4 modes: flame with heat, flame without heat, or just heat, perfect for any room or mood. It's portable with a handy handle, so you can move it from the living room to your office in seconds. Double safety features protect against overheating and accidental tip-overs, keeping your space safe and comfortable. Turn any wall into a movie theater. This mini projector gives you crisp 1080p visuals with vibrant colors that make every scene pop. It rotates up to 120 degrees, so you can project on walls or ceilings without moving the device. Stream Netflix and thousands of apps easily thanks to built-in Google TV. Dual 8-watt speakers deliver rich sound, while autofocus and smart alignment keep your picture perfect every time. Why juggle a dozen pots when one appliance can do it all? This multi-cooker lets you slow, cook, sauté, bake, steam, and keep food warm, all at the same time. Dual pots mean you can make 2 dishes ready together, perfectly timed. It seals in flavor by searing first, then cooking slowly for rich, delicious meals. Cleanup is easy thanks to the non-stick ceramic pots, and the bake function even handles breads and desserts. So if you want effortless, flavorful meals every day, scan the QR on screen. Fresh, clean water is just a button away. This electric water filter pitcher gives you instantly purified water in 1 second. No waiting, no fuss. Its premium carbon block filter removes over 45 impurities, including lead, chlorine, and microplastics, so every sip tastes crisp and pure. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 30 days, making it perfect for countertops or even travel. With a long-lasting 200-gallon filter, you get fresh water for weeks without constant replacements. Upgrade your kitchen game with one clever set. This 4-in-1 colander combines a strainer, mixing bowl, airtight storage lid, and 3 graters for garlic, cheese, and more. The stainless steel strainer drains quickly without rusting, while the non-slip base keeps your mixing bowl steady and splash-free. Its smart design saves counter space and makes prep, washing, and draining easier than ever. Cleanup is simple too. Most parts are dishwasher safe, so your kitchen stays tidy with zero hassle. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This cordless stick vacuum delivers powerful suction across carpets, hardwood, and tile, all while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The clean station empties the dustbin at the push of a button, trapping nearly all dust and debris. Multi-layer HEPA filtration captures tiny particles, keeping the air in your home fresh. With long battery life and handy attachments, it reaches stairs, corners, and furniture with zero hassle. So if you want effortless cleaning without the mess, scan the QR on screen. Clean like a pro in just seconds. This handheld steam cleaner heats up in 15 seconds, blasting 230 degrees Fahrenheit high-pressure steam to tackle grout, kitchen corners, floors, and tight spots. Its large 650-milliliter tank gives you up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning without constant refills. Lightweight and easy to handle, it comes with 12 attachments for everything from furniture to windows. Lockable steam control makes it simple. Set it and go, leaving surfaces spotless with zero hassle. Say goodbye to cluttered laundry days. This 3-tier drying rack has adjustable shelves that fit everything from shirts to long dresses. A stylish fabric cover hides your laundry while keeping your space looking neat. Heavy-duty steel ensures it lasts for years, and the foldable tiers save room when not in use. Wheels make it easy to move from room to room, so drying clothes has never been simpler. Make your clothes and furniture look brand new again. This heavy-duty fabric shaver quickly removes lint, fuzz, and pills from sweaters, blankets, couches, and more. Its large shaving head covers more area in one pass, getting the job done faster. 6 sharp stainless steel blades cut gently yet effectively, while the protective mesh keeps your fabric safe. Emptying the container is easy, so maintaining a fresh, smooth look has never been simpler. So if you want your fabrics looking flawless every day, scan the QR on screen. Why juggle a dozen pots when one can do it all? This 8.5-quart multi-cooker replaces 14 different appliances, letting you slow cook, steam, sauté, bake, braise, and more, all in one pot. You can sear and sauté directly inside, then finish meals in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect crispy finish. Triple fusion. Heat cooks up to 30% faster, saving time without sacrificing flavor. The included utensil doubles as a ladle and pasta fork, keeping prep simple and mess-free. Turn frozen fruit into a creamy, healthy treat in minutes. This soft serve maker creates smooth, dairy-free desserts with no added sugar or preservatives. You can follow 36 included recipes or make your own vegan, keto, or fruit-based creations. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, and the compact design works for a single serving or the whole family. Enjoy guilt-free ice cream, sorbet, or parfaits anytime you want. This isn't just a trash cabinet, it's a mini kitchen powerhouse. With 2 tilt-out compartments, it holds up to 20 gallons for trash or recycling. The top panel doubles as a charging station with outlets and USB ports, so you can power your coffee maker, microwave, or other devices. Sturdy wood construction and reinforced doors make it durable, while the countertop adds extra workspace. Quick assembly means you can upgrade your kitchen or laundry area in just 30 minutes. So if you want a smarter, multi-use kitchen setup, scan the QR on screen. Walking 2 dogs just got way easier. This dual retractable leash lets each dog roam up to 10 feet while staying tangle-free, even if they pull in different directions. Reflective leads keep your pets visible at night, and color-coded controls make locking or unlocking each dog simple. Soft touch handles make it comfortable to hold, and durable nylon straps handle dogs up to 50 pounds each. Now you can enjoy walks without the stress of knots or chasing tails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.